Please tell us your name
Sir, my name is Ajay Kumar Mandangi.
and your roll number for this exam.
Sir, my roll number is 300472.
Please give us a brief introduction.
Sir, my name is Ajay Kumar Mandangi. I was born in Navrangpur town of Navrangpur district, from where I have completed my higher studies. After my completion of 10+2, I have joined Indian Navy in 2004 and retired from Navy in 2019 after completion of my initial engagement of 15 years. During the tenure of Navy, I have completed my post-graduation from Annamalai University and graduation from Andhra University, Visakhapatnam. My hobbies includes playing football, watching motivational videos. My achievements are social achievement. I have donated blood in various naval camps. My academic achievements includes I have currently cleared UGC NET with JRF in political science in the year 2020. My professional achievement includes I have represented Indian Navy in the Republic Day Parade at Rajpath in the year 2009, and I have got Proficiency Award in Indian Navy in the year 2006 and 2015. Currently, sir, I am preparing for Odisha Civil Services examination and other competitive examination as well, sir.
What are you doing in ILS Chilika?
Sir,
You are posted there?
yes, sir.
No, undergo training.
Sir, in the initial ab initio training I have completed from there, and in the year 2017 to 19 I have served in the Indian Naval Hospital Station at Nivarani, which is under INS Chilka. I was there secretariat officer to the commanding officer INHS Nivarani, sir.
Why did you proceed your study under Andhra University? Then you become that college, Navrangpur College.
Sir, in the year 2004 I have joined the Navy. Yes, sir. In the year 2004 I have joined the Navy after 10+2. In 2007 I have started my graduation in distance mode. That time I was posted in Visakhapatnam. That's why, sir, I have chosen Andhra University for my higher studies.
You have opted political science and history as your subject.
Yes, sir.
OAS.
Yes, sir.
Have you received your mark?
No, sir.
They didn't. They must not have supported.
No, sir. After release, yes, sir. That final interview. After that we
Have you
got.
got any special paper in history?
Sir.
Have
Pardon,
you got
sir?
any special paper in history?
No, sir.
No. Simply pass or honors?
Simply pass, sir.
Okay. Then power corrupts and absolute power corrupts absolutely. Who had told this?
Sir, presently I am not recalling, sir. I think it is Machiavelli, sir. I think. Presently I am not recalling, sir.
Sartan Patatle, I don't know, man is born free, what everywhere family change.
It is the famous quote of John Jacques Rousseau, sir. According to him, the man born in the society, but every aspect of society, it is in chain. He is under some authority. He is under some social rules and regulations. That's why he has mentioned the term man is born.
Okay, thank you. Have you studied European history?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Why there is a partition? There is partition of Germany?
Sir, after Cold War, after World War II, sir, when Cold War is started, Germany has bifurcated to East Germany and West Germany. East Germany was part of under USSR, and West Germany was part of France, US, and their allied forces, sir.
Was there any difference in ideology between the people of East Germany and West Germany?
No, sir. The East Germany was bordering to USSR, and USSR was planning to completely communalize and form a communist government in Germany. That's why they acquired East Germany, and later on they had suppressed and blockades. They've also done blockades, and they plan to acquire full Germany to settle a communist government in Germany, sir.
There was no ideological difference.
So the ideological difference of people was not there, sir, but the ruling, the USSR, which is ruling East Germany, they were communist, and the US and France, they are capitalist, sir.
Okay. Do you have any Can you please tell me about the number of fundamental rights just in our constitution?
So the fundamental rights are under Article 12 to 35 in Indian Constitution. It is under Part 3. First, sir, the fundamental. There are 6 fundamental rights, sir. Right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right of religious matters, then right to right constitutional remedies, sir, from Article 30.
Right to get information.
Yes, sir.
Honor RTI, madam was
Yes,
asking
sir.
one question.
Yes, sir.
Right to know. Under which fundamental right it comes?
Sir, it comes under Article 19(1), sir.
What is there?
Right to freedom of speech and expression. Sir.
Right to freedom?
Freedom of speech and expression.
Right to freedom of speech and
Expression. Yes, sir.
But I am asking you right to know.
Yes, sir. RTA Act 2005, sir.
Right to know. Is there any such fundamental right?
No, sir.
Right to know.
No, sir. It is not enshrined in Constitution, but various Supreme Court orders and Supreme Court judgments tells us that it is under. It is a part of Article 19(1), sir.
Part of Article 19.
19(1). It is not written in Constitution,
Why
sir.
did Government of India implemented, madam, RTI? Why is Government of India implemented this RTI work if you don't have the right to know?
Sir, it is a fundamental right. It is a right, but is not written in the Constitution, specially not mentioned. But the courts has various judgments. They told that it is an inseparable part of Article 19(1).
Now you must have gone through any item that recently Government of India has passed a law that no retired person, particularly defense personnel, can reveal the secrets of the organization where he was.
No, sir. Under Official Secret Act, it is not given the opportunity that they can reveal that.
Who
Sir.
had enacted that Official Secret Act?
Sir, it was under Britishers has enacted that, sir. But the exact year I am not recalling,
Who
sir.
are the main person behind it?
Sir, presently I am not
In which
recalling.
year it was
Sir,
enacted?
I think it is after 1857, sir. I think, sir, it is after 1857, sir. After that revolt. But I am presently not recalling, sir.
Okay. What are the sections? Actually, Official Secret Act, which matter are there? Official secrecy means you cannot reveal any fact,
No, sir.
any information.
No, sir.
Does it
Any-
not counter this right to information?
Sir, any information which is affecting the national security or any documents that is pertaining to that, it cannot be revealed to the civil public, sir. It is written under Official Secret Act.
Okay.
Any means we cannot use transmitting these things in social media also, like Facebook, WhatsApp and other things. So we cannot transmit it also, sir.
Marangi means, please excuse me, don't mind.
Sir.
Do you belong to ST community?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me how many tribes are there in Odisha?
Sir, there are 62 groups of tribes living in Odisha, sir.
This sub-tribes, sub-62, okay. Okay, ठीक है. Where the Bonda tribe people are seen?
Sir, they are seen in Malkangiri district, sir.
In Nagarapur district?
Sir, we are having Gadavas, Kondhas, Paraja and Amanatyas and other, total there are 10 tribes, sir. These are the main tribes living in...
Amanatya where they are?
Sir, pardon me, sir.
Amanatya.
Sir, they are in Navrampur, sir.
They are living where?
Sir, in
Particular area?
Dabuga and Jarigam block, sir, which is bordering to Kalandi district, sir.
Gadwa?
Gadavas, sir, they are basically in Navrampur and Kosagunda, Kodinga region, sir.
Batra?
Bhatra, sir, they are in Navrampur and Raigas and Umarkot area, which is a part of, which is the bordering of Chhattisgarh, sir.
Okay. Why there are lot of conversions undivided Koraput district. What is the historical background behind it? Can you tell?
Sir, undivided Koraput district was ruled by Atavika dynasty, and later, sir, Atavika, sir. Sir, according to Kalinga's inscription, he has mentioned Atavika clan of people who are.
Atavika?
Yes, sir. He has mentioned.
Atavika dynasty?
Not dynasty, sir. It is clans of people, sir, which
Atavika.
are. Sir, exactly, sir. The name is I'm not recalling, but sir, I think it is.
I'm waiting for the part time. Tell me.
Yes, sir. So then Nala dynasty was ruled undivided Koraput and some parts of. Yes, sir. Nala dynasty ruled some parts of Koraput, Bastars, Navrangpur, sir. Their capital was at Podagad, Umarkot, Navrangpur, sir.
Podagad?
Yes, sir.
Podagad from Koraput to 20 kilometers?
No, sir. It is from 60 kilometers from Navrangpur towards Chhattisgarh, sir.
Chhattisgarh?
Yes,
Podagad?
Podagad. It is 12 kilometers from Umarkot subdivision, sir.
12 kilometers from Umarkot in which line?
Sir, it is towards Chhattisgarh, sir. Navrangpur.
Raigarh Kundai?
Yes, sir. Raigarh Kundai, sir.
Acha. New thing, condition from me. I do not know, though I will get a work.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, sir.
To whom the Admiral of Naval Forces reports?
Hey, you are not completed
Sir?
the answer. The question I have to give. Why there are a lot of conversions in Koraput district?
Sir, recently Kotia dispute is in news, sir, where the Kotia village, 21 villages of.
Conversion, do you understand? Conversion. Conversion, I am talking of conversion.
Dharmantikarana.
It's a religious conversion, sir. Yes, sir, because the Koraput district is little bit poverty is there, and education rate is very low in Odisha, and the conversion.
What is the literate rate now?
Sir, it is 48% in Koraput and 46% in Navrangpur, sir.
48 in Koraput district.
Koraput district literacy rate is 48%, sir.
Navrangpur?
46%, sir.
40?
46%, sir. It's the lowest in Odisha, sir.
Undivided?
Sir, undivided.
I think the entire state's literary percentage is more than 75% as per government record.
78% for Odisha, sir.
Still,
In the,
educationally,
yes, educationally these districts are
lagging behind.
Yes, sir, lagging behind. It's a backward districts, and due to this, sir, and poverty is also the main reason. That's why the conversation is being carried out there, and lots of people are presently.
Poverty is the only reason or other?
Education is the basic reason, sir. Health is the other reason. Poverty is the reason.
What benefit are they getting? Any benefit after?
Sir, sir,
Free and fair.
yes, sir. In informal things, what we are knowing, sir, they are being given some initial. They are being given some amount like 1 lakh, 2 lakh rupees, and their health.
Initially?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
They are getting some monetary benefits from other religious communities, and their health and education is being looked after by the religious authorities and religious organizations, sir.
Okay. Have the Britishers played any role in this?
Yes, sir. Britishers, their religious conversion policy was started by the Britishers only, sir, but they could not succeeded in Odisha. Sir, as they are trying to convert full of Odisha, but they didn't succeeded that, sir.
Is it
And
legal?
this-
Conversion is illegal? No.
Sir, conversion is not legal, but the people may join or convert in any religious, as the secularism of the country tells us about that. Everyone and each person can choose their religious at their own will, sir. There is no forceful thing can be happen, sir.
No. Attacking the conversion is the secularity means what you are clearly, nicely narrated. Secularism means respect all religion and
Yes, sir. No interference of government.
Pushing some people and motivating some people of either Hindu or Muslim. Anyway,
It is-
motivating to change the religion. Is it secularism or against secularism?
Sir, it is against secularism, sir. We cannot force anyone to join a religion. It should be his own will and own choice to.
Then how? That's my question. Whether checking it is legal or illegal?
Sir, it is illegal, sir.
Checking illegal.
No, sir. Forcing to anyone to change his.
Motivation money. You see, Englishman,
Yes, sir.
by any means, by money, by motivation.
There are no.
Many ways to
Yes,
motivate
sir.
people.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
There are no such concrete things we are in some no proofs are.
After joining OSU, sub-regional magistrate or taluk magistrate, anything, I will have to conflict this problem. That's why I am asking. How will you handle all such problems?
Sir, if I will know some persons are doing that, some forceful conversation, then I will personally talk to him and officially talk to him and
How will be your power?
yes, sir. I can tell him and
Higher up to the law, legal positions. What
Yes,
can
sir.
you do?
I can suggest him not to do that illegal thing, sir. And after
Who
that,
will listen to you?
initially, sir, initially,
Together,
yes, sir. Initially, I will talk
you
with
have built your what hospital, Nabarangpur, have forgotten. That
JLC hospital,
hospital
sir.
is
Yes,
there.
sir. German hospital. They're
Ah.
calling it German
And
hospital, sir.
another hospital is at Korapur, another at Vishampattak.
Yes,
They have
sir.
established good hospitals.
Yes,
and
sir.
they are
Yes,
helping
sir.
people.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There is no doubt.
Yes,
But
sir.
when the government had not established good hospitals,
Yes, sir.
at that time they have done all these things.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Even these doctors come from Vellore to
Jaipur and
Vishampattak,
yes,
I
sir.
know.
Yes, sir.
That's all right. Okay? ठीक है मैडम बताइए कौन
Okay. How many years you served in Navy?
Madam, 15 years.
15 years. What has your experience taught you?
Madam, Navy is, at my point of view, it is one of the best forces in India and one of the best armed forces in the world. It teaches us a lot of things like physical fitness, punctuality, responsibility, integrity, and how to do the jobs honestly. These things we have learned from the Navy. Madam.
Discipline.
Discipline, honesty, responsibility, everything that core.
So these qualities are going to be used in your civil service job.
Yes, madam.
Why did you choose this job?
Madam, civil services is a diversified job, and as a civil servant, the authority which I will get, and I can help the society, and for the development of society, I can do a better, and the satisfaction and happiness which I will get from that. That is the main thing. That's why I have chosen the civil services. Secondly, madam, the civil services gives us a financial stability. Thirdly, madam, the social respect in the society of a civil servant is much more higher than other posts, and it is a motivational thing to the young generation. That's why I have chosen for civil services.
Okay, your hobby is watching motivational videos, I think.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Whose videos you have been watched? Name two motivational speakers.
Madam, Sandeep Maheshwari, and in Odia it is Madam Aditya Das.
Okay, how will you motivate a group of people? Suppose, in example I'm giving, conversion of religion. Someone has already motivated to convert themselves, but you have to motivate them back to stay in their own religion. How will you motivate?
Madam, firstly, what is the pros and cons of their own religion, their ethical ethnicity of every people where they have been born, and their culture they should avoid, and in that way we can progress our society. I can motivate them that they can. Sir?
मोटिवेट कर देबे आपन को पोस्टिंग कर देबे सरकार जे ट्राइबल मैन छोटा हमर सरकार नेता कर गोटे अछि फीलिंग हां नेता कर कोन ट्राइबल लोक को ट्राइबल एरिया पठे देबे तो काहे रे पठौ तो कंप्लेन करे तम लोक को तम एरिया पठैछु ନେତା କଂଗ୍ରେସ ସମୟରେ ସେ ଏହା କହୁଥିଲେ ସେଠି ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ କମ୍ପିଟେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫିସରକୁ ପଠାନ୍ତିନି ଆଦିବାସୀ ଏରିଆକୁ ଆଦିବାସୀ ଲୋକ ପଠାଇବେ କାହିଁକି ନା ତମେ ଏରିଆକୁ ତମ ଲୋକ ଦେଇଛ ରାଜନୀତି ତମ ଲୋକ ଯଦି କାମ ନ କଲେ ଆମେ କ'ଣ କରିବୁ ଦିସ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ଦି ଭ୍ୟୁ ଅଫ୍ ସମ୍ ପଲିଟିସିଆନ୍ସ ଡିସ୍କ୍ରିମିନେସନ୍
Yes, sir.
କିନ୍ତୁ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ନଲେଜେବୁଲ୍ ଯେଉଁଠି ଇଏ ଅଛି ଆମେ ତ ସରକାରଙ୍କ ପଲିସି ଅଛି SC/STର ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ରିଜର୍ଭେସନ୍ କରିବାକୁ ସବୁ ଏନକରେଜ୍ କରିବାର ସରକାର ରିଜର୍ଭେସନ୍ ଆମେ ଅଛି
Yes, sir.
କିନ୍ତୁ ସେମାନେ ବି ସେଇ ପରିସ୍ଥିତିରେ ବଣ ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ଭିତରେ ଆଡ଼ଭର୍ସ ସିଚୁଏସନ୍ ଭିତରେ ପାଠ ପଢ଼ିକି ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ତୁମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ସେଇ ଏରିଆକୁ ପଠାଉଛ କାହିଁକି ନା ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ୍ ବୁଝିବେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଡେଭଲପ୍ କରିପାରିବେ ଏନିୱେ ସେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଦେ ଆର୍ ଡୁଇଂ ବେଟର୍ ନୋ ଡାଉଟ୍ ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ୍ ଯେଉଁ ମୋଟିଭେସନ୍ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନଟା ପଚାରିଲେ you will be in a better position so far as I understand because I think you are born in that area.
Yes, sir.
You have a special love and attachment for that area.
Yes, sir.
So you know the behavior, the culture of your people, tradition also. So you will not take things seriously and they can go to them, approach them, convince them, try it. Till then my question is particular. Where you cannot understand their language, that is a great problem. You cannot understand the language of Manda. I don't know whether you can
No, sir.
understand their language. Koyaj. You cannot understand?
No, sir.
এটা ଗୋଟେ କ'ଣ ପାଳାଖଣ୍ଡି ଗୋଟେ କି ଅଛି କି ଟ୍ରାଇବ୍ ଗୋଟେ ମାଇକ୍ରୋ ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ ଅଛି ଭୁଲିଗଲି ସେଟା ଜୁଆଙ୍ଗ ନୁହଁ ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ କ'ଣ ଅଛି
John is coming.
ହଁ ହାଉ ଡୁ ମୋଟିଭେଟ୍ ତାକୁ ଜଣକୁ ଭିଡ଼ି ଦେଲେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଦେବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ନହେଲେ କିଏ ମାରିବେ ଏବେ ବି ଡେଭଲପ୍ ହେଲାଣି କିଛି ଆଉ ଆଗଭଳିଆ ନାହାନ୍ତି ହଁ they are for 15 days in Gonda Hills and have served in Malkamangi district and for 3 years, around 3 years, and I have also served in your subdivision for more than 4 years. As Tahsilar Kodinga and Umarkot additional Tahsilar.
Yes, sir.
Long experience. Okay. Nabarangpur is much more developed.
Yes,
No
sir.
doubt.
Yes, sir.
And the behavior of the people are good, is good, natural. Excepting some remote areas, some pockets of Jharika not developed, this forest area.
Yes.
Some parts of Chiraighar, Kuchinda,
Kundai.
Basically, Nabarangpur is developed.
Yes, sir.
But still there are some underdeveloped
Yes, sir.
areas, educational and this in health sector also, cultural. So how you motivate them?
Sir, if some tribes did not understand the language, I will specially contact with some person who has been little bit educated and who can easily understand my languages, and he can translate it to the community, sir.
That's one thing you have to study that language. It will take time, and the government may not allow you to continue there for a long time. And there are officers who have stayed there for longer time, longer period. One of my drivers was there for 12 years, and he has written a lot of books on Gonda Hills. Govardhan Pandit might be known, I think he might be known, who's staying at Nalco area now. There is my driver for sub-collector, he knows. But that is one aspect, but one thing I might say, I agree with you. People understand the language of law. And
Yes, sir.
care.
Yes, sir.
If you extend some benefit, they may understand your language or not, but they feel it. This officer is a good officer and he is helping us.
Yes, sir. Definitely,
That is
sir.
also what.
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
ତାଙ୍କ ମିଶିବ ରାଗ ଏଷ୍ଟାବ୍ଲିଶମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବ ତାଙ୍କ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ସ ବୁଝିବ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବ
Yes, madam.
ଦେନ୍ ତାଙ୍କ ଗ୍ରୁପ୍ ଲିଡରକୁ କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ କରିକି ତାଙ୍କ ଆୱାରନେସ୍ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ କରିବ
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
ଓକେ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଅପସନାଲ୍
Madam, political science, IR and history.
ଓକେ
Madam, मुझे देखो, नहीं सब नहीं जरूरी करते.
ମୁଁ सब ଦେଖିଛି
ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ତ ନାରୀ ଜାଗୃତି ଚାଲିଛି ଆପଣ ଏମିତି ପଛେଇ ଦେଲେ ହେବ
ନାଇଁ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଦେଇଛି ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ
ଲେଡି ଆସିଲେ ଆମେ ନାରୀଙ୍କ ଉପରେ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ପଚାରିବା Aku pacar nanti, we have forgotten that aspect.
What is the difference between a modern state and sovereign state?
Madam, sovereign state is the supreme power and authority of a state, which he enforced to his people. And modern state is basically the same theory, but some governance, system of governance and style of governance is little bit changed from sovereign state. Sovereign state are basically the ancient and older version of the state theory.
What is the role of relevance to India's contribution in NAM on NAM movement?
Yes, madam. NAM was founded in 1961, and the core principle of NAM, that is the Panchshil Niti, was enshrined in the NAM as the core principle, and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru played a vital role in forming the NAM, madam. The Panchshil Niti was enshrined as the basic core of the NAM.
Okay. Name some extremists and some moderates.
Madam, moderates are Dadabhai Naroji, Dinshaw Ocha, and extremists were Bal Gangadhar Tilak, then Bipin Chandra Pal. They are moderate.
Lakshmana ka ghar tako ga?
Sir, Tentuli Guma at Malkangiri.
Tentuli Guma?
Yes, sir.
Na Guda?
Guma, sir.
Tentuli Guma?
Yes, sir.
Tentuli Guda?
Tentuli Guma, sir. It was in Koraput, but presently it is in Malkan. Sir, Mathuli block, sir.
Who is the higher authority to whom the Admiral of Naval Forces reports?
Sir, he will report to Chief of the Defence Staff in the present situation.
What is the exact designation of that officer?
Sir, Chief of Defence Staff, CDS.
Chief of
Defence Staff. Earlier Admiral was reporting to President, sir, but recently the post of Chief of Defence Staff was introduced. So he is the next hierarchical command above Admiral, sir.
What is his name?
Sir, General Bipin Rawat.
Okay. So now Taliban is very much discussed in world politics.
Yes, sir.
So will you speak 5 sentences on the recent developments of the Taliban movement?
Sir, recently Taliban has formed the government where the Prime Minister is chosen as Abdul Akhund, and secondly, sir, Taliban has recently decided to open the school and colleges for women, but under the strict Sharia rule. Third, sir, they will impose Sharia rule at whole of the Afghanistan. Fourth, sir, they are having recently Joe Biden has announced for 74 million US dollar for Afghanistan's development. Fifth, sir, the first Boeing aircraft of Pakistan has landed in Kabul airport after takeover of Afghanistan, sir.
Which countries have already recognized?
Sir, in official terms, there is no country has been recognized yet, sir. But China is openly told that he will recognize Afghanistan government, sir.
What about Pakistan?
Pakistan is also declared. Pakistan is basically, sir, he is forming the government. They are helping to form the government in Afghanistan, sir.
What is your opinion that the Taliban should be successful in continuing the administration in Afghanistan?
Sir, from 1996 to 2001, when Taliban was in power, they had failed, but now it is 20 years has already passed, and after 20 years, we are hoping that they will form a good government. If democratically election will be there in 2 to 3 years or in recent time, and if Taliban will be elected and form a democratic government, then I think, sir, they will form a good government and they can.
Will it be successful? Will it be possible?
Sir, as Afghanistan is the major part of UN and various international organization, and everyone is watching closely to Afghanistan. If some human rights activities or some things that undemocratic things will be carried out in Afghanistan, they know sir sanctions by different organization will be upon him. So I think sir they are a little bit liberal this time, and they can sustain and they can form a good government, sir.
Whether China is interested in Afghanistan affairs or not?
Yes sir, China is interested.
Why?
Sir. Sir, due to the rich minerals in Afghanistan like copper, gold, precious metals, they want to the mining there when there will be a stable government. Secondly sir, Afghanistan is the gateway to the Central Asia and Persian Gulf. China is aiming.
China wants a stable government.
No sir, if stable government will be there in Taliban, then they can extract mining from there. Secondly sir, Afghanistan is the gateway to Central Asia and Persian Gulf. So China is aiming for an alternate route of South China Sea, so that oils and other minerals from Iran and Saudi Arabia can be.
I got the point, but who are the supporters of Taliban?
Sir, Pakistan and China, sir.
China.
Yes sir, China indirectly is supporting Taliban, sir. Recently they had a talk in
Why Pakistan
Beijing
is
also.
interested?
Sir, in back to 1989 and 1994 when Taliban has been formed, it has been that Pakistan and ISI has formed the Taliban, sir, and they are planning to have an attack to Kashmir, and they want some kind of nuisance in India, sir, by the help of Mujahideens. That's why recently Article 370 has been abrogated also. So Pakistan want to take a revenge of India, and they are planning to have an attack in India, sir. That
Syria is supporting the Taliban or not?
no, sir. Syria is not supporting Syria.
Turkey?
Turkey is also indirectly it is supporting, sir. Directly they have not openly telling that they are supporting, but indirectly they are supporting, sir.
Uzbekistan?
Sir, Uzbekistan is the border nation of Afghanistan, but they are not supporting Taliban, sir, because Uzbekistan will also.
Uzbekistan, I think they are supporters of China.
Yes, sir, but they are fearing that, sir, some border disputes and other attacks can be happen in Uzbekistan also, sir, because it is the bordering areas, and Uzbekistan is indirectly controlled by Russia, sir. The Central Asian countries under CSTO thing, sir.
Okay. Thank you. ଆଉ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ବିଷୟରେ କିଛି ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ମନ୍ଦିର ପ୍ରଥମେ କିଏ ପ୍ରତିଷ୍ଠା କରିଥିଲେ? ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ପୁରୀରେ, ପୁରୀ ଧାମରେ।
Sir,
ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ କୋଉଠି ଆସିଲେ, କୋଉଠି ତାଙ୍କ ଘର? ପ୍ରଥମେ କିଏ ପ୍ରତିଷ୍ଠା କଲେ?
sir, ଚୌଡ଼ଗଙ୍ଗ ଦେବ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ମନ୍ଦିର ତିଆରି କରିଥିଲେ, sir.
କିଏ?
ଚୌଡ଼ଗଙ୍ଗ ଦେବ ତିଆରି କରିଥିଲେ, sir, but as per the
ଅନଗ
sir, ଚୌଡ଼ଗଙ୍ଗ ଦେବ, sir, ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ମନ୍ଦିର ତିଆରି କରିଥିଲେ, but ରାଜା ଇନ୍ଦ୍ରଦ୍ୟୁମ୍ନ, sir. ରାଜା ଇନ୍ଦ୍ରଦ୍ୟୁମ୍ନ, sir.
ରାଜା ଇନ୍ଦ୍ରଦ୍ୟୁମ୍ନଙ୍କ ଘର କୋଉଠି? କୋଉଠି?
Sir, ମଧ୍ୟପ୍ରଦେଶ ମାଲୱା region, sir. ରାଜା ମାଲୱା ରାଜା, sir. ମାଲୱା region of ମଧ୍ୟପ୍ରଦେଶ, sir.
ଅବନ୍ତୀ ବୋଲି କହୁଛନ୍ତି, ଅବନ୍ତୀ କୋଉଟା? ମାଲୱାରେ?
Sir,
କଣଟା? ଅବନ୍ତୀ ପୁରା?
अवधि
ଅବନ୍ତୀ ମାଲୱା?
से उज्जैन तक
ମାଲୱା region.
ଏରିଆଟାକୁ ତ ଟ୍ରାଡିସନାଲି ମାଲୱାର ପାଇଁ।
Yes, sir.
କ'ଣ ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଟା ଠିକ୍? ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖାଲା ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ସ୍ୱପ୍ନ ଦେଲେ ସେ ଅବନ୍ତୀ ଦେଶର ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆମ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ କିଏ ଲୋକ ନଥିଲେ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ଭକ୍ତ।
Sir,
ଆପଣ ଏଇଟା ସତ ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି, ଏଇଟା ମାଇକ୍ ବୋଲି ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି?
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ସେମିତି କିଛି ନାହିଁ, ବଟ୍ ଆମର ସାର୍ ଟ୍ରାଇବାଲ୍ କନେକ୍ଟିଭିଟି ଆମେ ଯଦି ଦେଖିବା ଜଗନ୍ନାଥଙ୍କର, ସାର୍ ଦେନ୍ ନୟାଗଡ଼ ଯେଉଁ କଣ୍ଟିଲୋ, ସାର୍ ସେଇଠି ବି ପୂଜା ପାଉଥିଲେ, ସାର୍।
ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁର ଜିଲ୍ଲା ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ମନ୍ଦିର ଅଛି?
ଅଛି ସାର୍,
କୋଉଠି ଅଛି?
ସାର୍ ଟାଉନ୍ ମଝିରେ, ସାର୍।
ଟାଉନରେ ଅଛି?
ୟେସ୍ ସାର୍।
କେବେ ହେଇଥିଲା?
ସାର୍
ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁରରେ ଏବେ ହେଇଥିବ 50 ବର୍ଷ ଭିତରେ।
ସାର୍ ଏକ୍ଜାକ୍ଟ ଇୟର୍ ମାନେ ମନେ ପଡ଼ୁନି, ସାର୍।
ବୋରିଗୁମା ପାଖରେ ସେ ଯେଉଁ କ'ଣ ସେଟା ଭିତରୁ ଗଲେ ଭୁଲିଗଲି ତା ସେଠି ଗୋଟେ ଗଜପତି ମହାରାଜ ଯାଇଥିଲେ। ଓକେ,
କୋଟପାଡ଼, ସାର୍।
Thank you very much. Madam, I will tell you.
No, no, it's okay.
We are happy with your interview.
Yes, sir.
Let us hope for the best.
Yes, sir.
very good. I'm talking about your positiveness, very balanced.
Yes, madam.
Full अच्छा balance अच्छा फला अच्छा everything is okay. One thing subject आप लिखे पढ़ा.
Yes, madam.
Clearly the मैं कॉपी करना बचा रहा.
Yes, madam.
And overall I liked it. Confidence and all is okay.
Yes,
So you're
madam.
coming from a Navy background, so you have already that didn't pay out. Handling and balancing, you have that thing. That is your strength.
Yes, madam.
Subject you already पढ़ा. Current affairs की सब कुछ दिला पहुँचा लेना तो clearly point पढ़ा.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
That's it. Okay. That's
Thank
it.
you.
ओके समाने बहुत सारा पचार करनो आ के ओडिशा कल्चर ट्रेडिशन के ऊपर के पड़ी हम पचार पाइने
Yes, sir.
आ ओडिशा प्रशासन
Yes, sir.
को विभाग कौन अच्छी तार पंचायत राज विभाग अनुष्ठान अर्बान लोकल बॉडी सब कोन अच्छी है फॉरेस्ट रिसोर्सेस माइनरल रिसोर्सेस एक से सब लक्ष्य
Yes, sir.
मोटामोटी भाव ओडिशा आम जो ओडिशा पर बेसी पचार बहुत कदा पचार समय ओके थैंक यू
Thank you, sir.